1.3 On Wings of Courage. Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh, an icon of India's military history, will always be remembered as a war hero who had successfully led a young Indian Air Force during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. The only officer to attain the highest post of Marshal, the Air Force equivalent to the Army's 5-star Field Marshal, Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot who had flown more than 60 different types of aircraft. Known as a man of few words, Singh was not only a fearless pilot but also had profound knowledge about air power and applied it in a wide spectrum of areas. Singh was working hard and showing careful attention to details led the Indian Air Force during the 1965 war and denied success to Pakistani Air Force, though it was better equipped with American support. Officially praising his role in the war, Y.B. Chauhan, the then Defense Minister, had written, Air Marshal Arjan Singh is a jewel of a person, quite efficient and firm, unexcitable but a very able leader. Singh was born on April 15, 1919 in Lalpur, now Faisalabad, Pakistan, and completed his education at Montgomery, now Sahiwal, Pakistan. His first assignment on being commissioned was to fly Westland Wapiti biplanes in the northwestern frontier province as a member of the number 1 RIAF squadron. For his role in successfully leading the squadron in combat, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross in 1944. On August 15, 1947, he achieved the unique honor of leading a flypast of over 100 IAF aircraft over the Red Fort in Delhi. After his promotion to the rank of Wing Commander, he attained the Royal Staff College at the UK. Singh had the distinction of having the longest tenure as AOC, that is Air Officer Commanding of an operational base, initially from 1949 to 1952 and then again from 1957 to 1961. After his promotion to the rank of Air Vice Marshal, he was appointed as the AOC in C, that is Air Officer Commanding in Chief of an operational command. Towards the end of 1962 war, he was the overall commander of the Joint Air Training Exercise Shiksha held between IAF, RAF, that is Royal Air Force, and RAAF, that is Royal Australian Air Force. Singh was the first air chief to keep his flying currency till his CAS rank, that is Chief of the Air Staff. Singh was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his sharp and intelligent leadership of the Air Force during the war. He remained a flyer to the end of his tenure in the IAF, visiting forward bases, that means a secured forward operating military position and units, and flying with the squadrons. He retired in August 1969, thereupon accepting ambassadorship to Switzerland. Having been a source of inspiration to all the personnel of armed forces through the years, the government conferred the rank of the Marshal of the Air Force upon Arjan Singh in January 2002, making him the first and the only 5-star rank officer with Indian Air Force.